Hey everybody, this is David, and I've got another neat little tip that you can use in Swift. Let's say you have an array of 5 different names here. In this case, this array contains a bunch of names, 3 of which out of the 5 are David. Let's say that you needed to go through that array and pick out the ones that are named David and do something with them. For this, one approach for this would be to type for item in items, and you could say if item is equal to David, then you would do something like print I found a David. Obviously, you could append this to another array that you have, or you could do whatever you want with it, but you'll see that it works perfectly. It's very, very straightforward, and it shows you in very clean code that if you've got an array and you can find one of the items in the array that has David in it, then you can say, I found a David. However, when I was trying out a tool called SwiftLint, I found out there was one way to actually shorten this line of code. There's one way to do this by typing, instead of this first approach, you could also type for item in items, where item equals David. You could then print out the same statement. So the benefit of having something like this is it will do the same operation for you, and if you only have one condition inside of your for loop where you're trying to evaluate a statement, this shortens your code and makes it a bit easier to read. Additionally, as long as you understand the concept of what a for loop is, this is very English readable and is straightforward in terms of functional programming. This is just one way that you can easily refactor your code as you're looking through an array of items that you need to iterate through. Thank you so much.